We are still at Cascada Escondida out in Bolson, Negro, Argentina on Thursday, February 1st, 2024. It's Howard Paul Shore. And of course, I've got Abril and Nicole. Yep. So now we're in a different area. Okay. So here you could go swimming, nadar.
Yes.
Wow, huh? Yep. And so there's a different view. And I'm going to walk down here. Okay. Very nice. So here we are again by the water, and they won't allow us to swim here, but you can stick your feet in there, okay? Your feet, your PS, no? It's fantastico.
See?
Absolutely. I'll show people a view over here. This part, okay? Wonderful. Very nice. Hola.
What's that?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Bien.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Carmen.
Carmen. ¿Dónde vives?
Fui provincia de Buenos Aires.
Gusto? Gusto aquí? Nice to meet you. Gusto. Yeah. Very nice. So if you're looking for a great place to visit, you definitely should come to visit Cascada Escondida. Thanks so much for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.